Yes, my people, this one special. This is the grandmother of Jessica Igomo Ogbede. I mean say the lady when born Ogbede Pikin Gongon na mama be this is Helen's mother. Mama, me here. Each mama ka bokun wo me. Esi no wa o ya gba owo mo na. Sa oba ari timba Wetin. Then I mean where sonorous chat with Easy Baba Mate Kwene de na wa ho ni ma ho no mona.
Imala wa po broda ijo bonu wa be wa se ti wa mi ijo bonema ijo mi wa be wa be ti be une na be ti be ya gbo me gba ore we ge kere ni na no be wa kedu awo go boy wa be ti wo wa le wo
Where say Yima? Osa agwa okuwet. Where say Mama? Good afternoon, beautiful girl. Please, can I know you? What is your name and who are you?
My name is Ogbede Jessica Igomo.
Ogbede Jessica Igomo.
Yes.
Who is your father?
Legendary Ukeke.
Oh, you mean Era Oji Ogbede Ukeke Peter Pan is your real father?
Yes, sir.
Wow. So what are you doing right now?
I'm an SS3 student writing my WAEC.
SS3.
Yes,
Writing WAEC.
Yes.
Any of those cheap scores? Which school are you writing? Oh.
Word of Faith.
Word of Faith schools. Wow. This is interesting. You know, this is interesting. I heard there's still other exams you want to write.
Yes, NECO.
You're going to write NECO after now.
Yes, sir.
What about JAMB?
I've written JAM.
You wrote JAMB.
Yes, sir.
What was your outcome?
257, sir.
247. You are a brain. You are a brain. We are so proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
So, your daddy's friends and well-wishers, what do you have to say to them? Well,
Thank you.
Don't just say thank you. It is time for them to come and prove that they are indeed your daddy's friend, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that's exactly what we are doing. So we want to thank all those who have taken care of you from childhood to this time. Your grand-step mom, your mom, in fact your grandmother, everybody. God will bless them.
Amen.
So your grandpa, who was a big shot, God will bless him too. So Jessica,
Sir.
I hope you are happy today.
Yes.
You are coming back to lost glory. Whatever you have missed, the God is bringing them back to you.
Amen.
Where's say my dear? Bezedonima.
OSA.
Oh, na omona ugba oge ona waso challenge anywhere. What be yin na mo pasima e. So mari television na gbe mari be wa ya react yo. E mana we because e na mayala life. E na ma ya program na from 7 of water. But today can we je there go na we there ni we can setting la life. So ima we eri ma bo ya je kinu la no egu re imana do inconvenience we. So
I'm going. Then Papa never money now. Echo worry me because of can name of so where mommy at money agba atibo. Is that a sia kako besia kako bako be my gana again and I ready a pass but maybe to Wetin can know you go it's no lele. No be a lele setting me or be a lele can even ya was but for my gabia facing him I say
okay. Oh, where's the J? Is Baba? Do what I know,
no, because me own me stress, ya stress matter na kaka, but mommy favor la.
Mama Wetin wa ready ni ya ta here na.
So for my talk.
Question you only know, you no wa no tell me no aje. Ukeke ni wu. Bori wu. We ari on we owu. Omo unu pora aje.
Okay, 2 years plus of God. Your man was 3 years info. My 3 years. Oh, come on, 2007. A big more. Hey, and I better it. Mammy,
2010.
2 years.
Yes, plus of that, yes.
Then Mari mi ari we me gbe neni. Mari we gbe neni we have fe ni ari we nini. Ana wa ina wa head well what happened? Give us a background story when over here.
brother Etito oge mami era no kwa era no Ukeke ogi siko tabe sadabe lucky babi je ya ma izejo etanagwa ya mu keke to ni edere lucky mi igo mose edere oyin ami ese
Okay. Je, no concern no ge, ije no wa big homo. No no we no. Mi no je wewu. We tami mama na we to yo we leze. O we to yo we leze. Tami ma je.
Oma yo we leze brother
Boss,
Oma yo we
boya sumo gbe na anodo mi we okan gbo no kin ya ze do e. What happened?
beno ya sunu he mami e ba gu keke gi sunu gbera nani ona doze bo panaga ati ifemi ose be babuja ona doze femi ose yen le femi na aro o do ni oke fun omire mommy ogwe ki ayen ina o ikali ogwe ki agwe ina na oti okwa ina na oti wa oda ti bo ni ije we mo ku nene
When you are joining, open your camera.
ije we
Wa bo wa o.
Open camera we mo.
Camera. Wala o. Esamili begi na tu e na yo du hun esamili begi gwa agbi. Mama
Program of ma ṣe ma na jo wa ma gun later.
Mo mi la
o ma na agba mi ti mu we ture.
Okay. The program in my way is
Esamili begi.
Open your camera. I drop it, please. Now, mommy. Please, now.
But get back in very.
I will very.
Open your camera.
Moderator, I drop you about.
Back in very.
Domo aga no gwa ija aga kia Abuja ni na gbe no ti ogwa oja ti ogwa ogwe no ogi se ogi remote abo gwe no na ke ogwe do like one do so ekon ma iga kia so from don na ijo iwu ogi iwu igba be ko ni ya we owu abe sadi Ukeke ya ma turn up eru keke ogwa be dewe we sisi ma be dewe ya we ogu keke be yin urure ya be dewe no ni abe ga wo gi je yin obi ni ruru ona wa be degbe ana be yawo gija yen ruru ke ma ni ipa abe lucky na je na gba mu keke ta da me mi lucky se ba da de lucky be mi money se oni na do gbera so ina ni gi hu ne ma be ru keke ma i ga koko money gi ihia so say last 3 years or even last 3 years na one ere na shop where ya ire ke ba ni gi be coke or money ere li ogi yari eye body hasi no ebe school no ijona eso e ba ni ma ya ni ma gi le uke kupe ano ebe gbera ni ga de na ni awe da ori square de le mi le o ma me go be ko lo ona yo bo ni ma gi be iu kadari ade
Authentic.
Where's it?
Authentic. We're not trying now. About make me understand authentic. The Orabe et Ukeke no rani made de zeyo ere.
Ouais, egbe va bi omo egbe ra be bi. Itira ga zeyo, itije ma ze, ibi je ma zeyo. You understand the meaning?
Abe lucky ma zeyo, but ibi eru keke o ga zeyo ibi era.
You understand the meaning? Is Baba understand the meaning now?
I understand. Ejek Black, I open your camera, beg.
Okay,
Ibadan, I never brushed my face.
Oh, where we not here, what be big Tracy here?
Why we wala?
Kere no.
Otone kere.
Ije no be Tracy o si mi mo po give abo biera.
Ah.
Tracy e jera me no.
Oh. Okay.
Tracy, can you talk to us now?
It's okay, I'm streaming from Benin.
Okay, Natana.
Yeah,
what is your reaction, Natana?
Me and Ukeke she has said it all already.
Because we posted a video yesterday. We posted a video. Okay, we posted a video. We posted a video day before yesterday. I think maybe yesterday. And the video is about go viral and all of that. And a lot of persons are responding to that. What Mr. Prince Lucky guy, and they are saying, well, it's not true. You wait, I think you wait to a young time well on Libya. Also maybe on there Libya we or so a lot of people are responding to what the video. So what I where we are maybe or be as in how do I put this now? Maybe of a only my boyfriend in the way. So something of that nature.
My friend don't be lucky.
You know, maybe of a way or when winner. So we were so surprised the day we spoke to them on phone on a live video. Sorry, on a video call. On our time where we were already school, we were surprised. We were very surprised. So he might be kind of no now we're no way school, not yet always school for that. So that we will now bring out to the live video and do what we okay, now we're not casting. So you understand what I'm saying now? So
Nene video where they can self. Me ma pe me nene video self. No wa una dia na me ma mi. No wa na wa la life ba na come across say no wa una na we here dey but since wa rite eli. Ko no bia Ukeke na we ateme ya na me ya dey by the life. Me ma ka ve video no wa ka we you to.
okay. So no. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So if you do block you went already well already. Pride of Benin, block you went already. Block you went already. So we're getting. So what we are saying here now, we will say Kakabo for giving all this time. So in Matarana, because we just want to clear some things. We want to clear our doubts. So when you make a video now, I see even Igor more comment the video my I saw a comment on the video. You better comment on the video. I saw your son too.
If I call,
I'm is it
if I call,
no maybe no ya work ever come where you see ambitious school.
okay.
So I will comment to you and I also spoke with him this morning and all of that. So Mommy Emily, please over to you. Say something.
Koje. La mogo.
Come.
Nyonje.
I make come.
Wetin. At least we are in the beginning normal.
So what is
Wire ball multiple times.
Yes.
This could none of your country.
word of
Word of faith. Word of faith.
Okay. Then okay, Mommy Emily,
I don't really have much to say. We will talk back.
oh, we'll talk off camera. Okay, you don't even know or title like you. Yeah, I don't know whether this question is awkward anyway, but can I ask a question? Now I am Ukeke Yoto. Now I am Ukeke Yoto, legendary Ukeke Yoto. Otoni, I hear with your money, you are saving.
Oh, brother, me Mama dia ejo. Iyo to ni. Mama dia ejo.
Oni no otoni ni amade go wa mune.
Agbe akadi tu. Masa.
Obi no jeni tin gberun da amoma ye vane. Deni tin bo wanya idioma okay no sunu we do that off camera worry we'll do our research. We'll do our research. Jima Wese sabade ba like when makaka ijo body makia no money ma we no gbeza mi phone since omo no wa mere no ne oga wa Jesu ku o wa Jesu o le je fo na we de we bo oga be so my family my mama we Wese kaka
Da wa Wese.
Mommy, I don't wait to go you laptop.
So we are on my Z.
Mama na keka.
Yeah.
We still need to give him that respect.
You were there at time no me we say
If you do, you can was second one. I beg any where.
Madam, what me kwa ni emi ohia ta.
Brother la go me opa na mi ma mi eleti ni aguta Ukeke ni. Asopa origo gi egbafa 10,000 gi egbafa. E ba no na ito ta we
Oh, network.
Emi ezeni UK ko mo na keke ni aso e na. So from that mama give ihe mo. They
Even not ban. Even not ban.
Mama, where anything, where may contact us, when you don't know how to get to that woman.
Ogo kwoni.
Ogo kwoni. Because your keke no more the
Oh,
responsibility.
Igi mo.
Okay, Ota, you don't even know. Yeah, now if you are coming on this live, please open your camera. Don't just come. I will drop. There you were. Open your camera, please. Ota Yuki, open your camera.